So I'm about to vlog today. I'm going to Austin to the Supreme Court with this judge that I interned with this summer. Her name is Judge Marian Jackson. And I have a fresh face, not because I want to look plain Janie when I go to the Supreme Court and meet Supreme Court Justice, but I just looked at the time and it's time for me to go, so I don't even have time to do makeup. So first face, no lashes, no makeup, but I'm about to put this mascara on though. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Okay guys, so this is the Capitol. We're about to go inside. I've been to Austin before and been near the Capitol, but I've never been inside. Makeup on. I think it makes me look drowsy, and this girl just said I look really tired.
We do pass the Capitol.
Just got into the Supreme Court, you know. This is
etc. And so that's how we can, any judge on the court will get those letters and make a decision. And I'm happy to take applications from all of you, but I can't take all of them.
Okay, so we just left the Court of Appeals. Well, actually, about to leave the Court of Appeals.
And then
After the Court of Appeals, we are about to go to the legislators and see people who make laws. Inside of the Capitol. So we're on the second floor.
sat here and we took pictures of when they're in session. When we were here.
Is where legislators vote on laws that should or should not be passed.
In this room.
So this is
When they're
these are pictures that the currently serve.
did with our courts.
Right now, it's not in session, so no one is here passing laws. You see, a lot of people will have a say-so in what's illegal, what's a crime, what's not a crime. Okay, I'm going to speak louder because I'm probably not speaking loud enough, but this is a legislator where legislators meet and they pass laws and vote on if a law is constitutional, should be passed or should not be passed. So this is the original Supreme Court. Unfortunately, we can't go in because it's closed until January 3rd. Now there are newer courts, but these are still the old parts. This is really cool, being able to look at different parts of history and how it's changed since then. If you ask me, Texas is still overall a very conservative state. When I say conservative state, I'm not just saying that because that's how people live. You can just look by all the different men on the wall. You don't see one African American, and that's not okay because we need representation because we're a part of this country just as much as anyone else is. But unfortunately, we don't see that representation in the criminal justice system, and this is why people ask things like, oh, this criminal justice system is so broken. Well, look at the people who created this system. They created it for their benefit, not the benefit of minorities and African Americans, Hispanics. Literally, every single one of these are white men, and that speaks volumes. Alright, so we're still in the Capitol building. We're now about to go to the gift shop. I do not have any desire to get anything from here, so I'm just going because they're going, but trust me, I won't be buying anything because I'm pretty sure it's overpriced because most gift shops are, because this is like a tourist spot where tourists go and they'll probably never come back. But I am from Texas and this is only 2 hours away, so I could certainly come back again and get these. It isn't like a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy something out of this gift shop. Alright guys, so we just left out of the Capitol, did some touring there, and now we're outside and we're about to go check out some monuments. My contacts are kind of irritating me, so I don't even really have the camera on my face because I feel like my eyes look really weird. But I'll show you guys the monuments once we get there. Alright y'all, so this is probably the most interesting part of the tour right here, especially as an African American, a person of color, tells a story. Of course we can never put like all those years of captivity and rights being taken away into one monument, but just to know that it's being addressed, it means a lot.
Okay, y'all, I was thinking if that was permanent, that's the Yellow Rose of Texas. Do y'all know that story?
Oh, sorry. My bad, excuse me.
Yeah, I looked the Capitol, it's so nice. This is the, so this is the next monument, Texas Peace Officers. Honoring fallen soldiers.
Everything you gotta do is make me the good.
You like me the good man? You made it sound like that was so simple.
Exactly. Then,
He made that sound so simple.
I'm about to debunk your theory right now.
my bad, y'all. We're kind of having a little discussion about
Everything,
whether a man should
everything is
have
about
a
the law of
say-so
attraction.
if a woman
So if girls keep coming around shitting
getting an
men,
abortion or not.
what about choose attracting shitty men? You feel me? That's my argument behind that because
I don't think you may be attracted. You might be attracted to everything, but shit, man. People, guys put on a front, and you don't know that.
okay, here's the thing though. But y'all be vlogging like that? Hey, look, man, it's your boy ABG in the cut. Y'all follow me at Alright, I'm trying to I can't follow myself.
If you know me and you have me on Snap, this is my go-to.
Yeah, what?
Like my jelly. I always get popular.
I'm trying to turn.
I need to try new things. This is my friend. She always gets rated.
Wait, before you, so you got brother?
We came here for the first time together. We were freshmen.
You got twins?
And this girl got dope.
Boy, girl.
Oh boy, that was supposed to be Crystal.
So, a controversial topic. Do you think transgenders should have their own sector in like sports, things like that?
I believe that shit, honestly.
And I said yes because their genetic makeup was made for a man. So would you like to fight a man and you're a woman? I don't think so.
You shouldn't be fighting an actual woman.
Well, they got to like a boxing match.
And what about you, Lana? Why do you think they should have their own sector?
Personally, this whole topic is confusing,
You got it,
to be honest. But if that's the case, then I believe they should have their own section where they can compete in sports, depending on which sex change they have. But they definitely should not be in a man can't be in a woman's sport and change to a woman. So definitely,
He's obviously stronger.
exactly. So definitely, I'll segregate them.
Got it?
Yeah, I know there's this transgender boxer who's been taking like all of the wins, obviously.
A boxer?
Or a fighter.
Probably whooping everybody butt.
No, it's actually a man turned to a woman.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She probably beat everybody up. That's crazy.
Yeah. So what about you? Do you agree?
She trying to eat you.
Oh,
So much.
my bad, girl. You don't have to answer.
She said, girl.
Get your food in.
So I just went back and I didn't leave the jail then. That's when I called the other judge.
So, this helps people know something quick about the law if they're being sued out of nowhere. So you're trying, if someone's trying to evict you, you read this and it will like give you like a brief session on that session. Then this one's for the civil procedures where you're suing people for money, criminal procedures, and then this is juvenile for children. Alright, guys.
My driving shoes on.
So this pretty much concludes my trip to Austin with the judge I used to intern for, Judge Jackson. It was really awesome. I learned a lot of things. One interesting thing about the Supreme Court in Texas and the Court of Appeals, there hasn't been one woman of color served, and that's ridiculous. And there's only been 2 African American men. So, you know me, I definitely have to look into that for my future career goals. I learned a lot of more interesting things. It was a good trip, I'll say that much. But you know, I always have to include that African American because I'm a black woman, I come from a black background, so I always want to see my representation. But other than not seeing a lot of representation of myself, this trip has been wonderful.